So I want to bring you guys along with me on my ride on my Xiaomi scooter. Want to change up the channel a bit for more stuff I'm interested in, like scooting, and all types of like electric vehicles and stuff like that. So let's go. Right, we're leaving on a full charge, 100%. We're going to do a ride about, it's not far, it's probably a mile and a half. It's quite uphill. I'm going to go to a shop to go and buy something to drink, or any excuse to ride the scooter. And then I'm going with Spike, who also has a scooter, a Xiaomi scooter, M365, and they'll probably go to Hove Park, which is next to it. I'll start recording on Strava and I'll put the stats on the screen as we go along. So enjoy the ride. So just for your information, I weigh, with my backpack on, I'm 100 kilograms. Yep. It's about 7 degrees in the Brighton, UK. There's fair wind, so it's quite windy. And where we're going is Waitrose up by Hove Park. Obviously, you probably don't know this area. It's quite uphill to get there. Be careful with dogs when you're on these, by the way. So yeah, it's quite a large hill, so it's not the best efficiency. But I've started the Strava recording. I've left the house on a whole. Focus on what you're doing. I left the house on 100%, so we'll see what efficiency I'm getting. We have a problem. Just been ridden up to Waitrose to get something to drink, and the motor stopped working. It might have something to do with this. I'm getting a motor error message. The wheel won't spin at all. So it hasn't been the most successful ride. So if I try and turn it on, give it a kickstart, nothing happens. And I'm getting a really annoying squeak. So I'm gonna have to take it apart when I get home. Oh, another one. They're everywhere. Anyway, so I'll film when I get home whilst I'm taking the front wheel apart. It might have something to do with when I replace this front tyre, which is quite a lot, because I've done 1,000 miles on it, if you didn't know. I'm gonna have to take it apart and have a look. I might have not done that bolt tight enough, because that is what's coming apart, as you can feel the difference. I'll film when I get back in. It's going to be a long walk home. Guys, I've just got home to take a look at the scooter after pushing it for like 3 miles. As you can see, that's separating. It should be like that. So hopefully, if I just tighten that back up, that's the only problem. So I'm going to take this off, get to the bolt, and tighten it back up, and test it. Fingers crossed. Just remove this protective cover, and this is what I see. The cabling has been chopped up and got all caught in the nut. Look how loose that is. So that's undone now. It's just you can't move it because of all the cabling. Look at that. So that's a big problem. Oh gosh. Okay guys, so I've just got off the phone from Xiaomi UK customer support because I bought my Xiaomi scooter, I don't know exactly when, but it was under a year ago, from the brand new UK My Store in Westfield, London. I was one of the first 100 people to buy it. So it's like £100 off if you're the first 100 people to buy it. So I was definitely there queuing up for a few hours. There's a large queue. It's a brilliant store. But I phoned up customer support and they were absolutely brilliant. I explained the story. They went, okay, we've opened up a case. Everything could be saved within your name. Can you email us over some photos of the issue? I've emailed them over photos. They said they should get back to me within today. I don't know if that's true. but the lady on the phone was wonderful. She was brilliant. Yeah, she was great. So I'm going to keep you guys updated over the next few weeks with short upload videos and explaining the issue. I'll put some photos at the end of this video of the issue, but it's quite worrying because I was walking through Waitrose with the scooter. I was pushing it through and I didn't realise how badly the cables were frayed. And they could have like maybe set on fire. I'm not really sure, as you can see in the photos. But yeah, it was scary once I took it apart and I saw how badly the cables were ripped up, because you never know, it could have just set on fire, sparked. I don't really know, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'm quite annoyed, but what do you expect? I have done 1,000 miles on the scooter. They are absolutely amazing scooters. But yeah, like and subscribe, guys. I'll keep you updated. Comment down below what videos you want on the scooter, range tests, reviews of other scooters, anything. And I'll see you guys in the next one.